Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today is a holiday. I wanted to eat something spicy, something interesting, indulge myself into something. So I said that why not Indian street Tawa Paneer burger. So before I start, I'm a software professional, full-time job. I do cooking for fun. So this channel is for the professionals who want to learn cooking. Personally, I think everybody should know cooking. So the aim of this channel, cooking channel, is to inspire professional to cook. Anybody can get benefited. Do subscribe to my channel. So what are the ingredients we are going to use to prepare this street tawa paneer burger? So of course we need paneer. We're gonna use some shredded paneer also. So we are gonna make some Indian style tadka. Uh, we have a onion, one green chili, tomato, and we bell pepper. So let's get started. And of course, we're gonna put salt, red chili, Kashmiri mirch, and coriander powder. And also, this is a ginger and garlic paste. So we're gonna use for our frying, initial frying. So let's get started. Let's cut our onion. So we'll make small slices.
Okay, now I am cutting the onions. Let's cut it to small dices. One very fun thing when I was growing up, I was very impressed by the Indian fast food. I was wondering why we didn't have Indian versions of McDonald's. One thing was when I was growing up, we did have a refrigerator, but it was not a common thing. And I remember our refrigerator was out of service for some time. We didn't buy. How hard the life was. We have to cook food for one day, and next day the things will get spoiled. Every day we have to cook fresh food. So that was the one reason I believe the Indian McDonald version didn't take place when I was growing up. I'm cutting the onions, and you can think how I could feel the smell of the onion. Uh, Tears are coming out of my eyes. So next thing is we're going to cut the capsicum. Let's get rid of the internal seeds and make sure we are using the good part of capsicum only. We're going to make small slices and then cut into small dices. Another reason why when I was growing up, India didn't have its own McDonald's version is we love fresh food. We were not used to concept of frozen food. We all of us wanted to eat fresh food. We went to restaurant. We just to tell, give us fresh food. So here now I'm cutting cheese into paneer into smaller pieces, smaller dices. Okay, so our preparation is ready. Let's get to the next part of cooking. So I'm putting some olive oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now I'm going to fry the onion. I'll throw onions. Okay, next I'm going to throw onions and fry them. Another thing why Indian McDonald's didn't take place. Indian McDonald's took some lot of years to come up. There was no funding. Means people, okay, I have a hotel, my family is good enough. Why should I worry about creating a franchise concept? So here I have added onion. I'm going to fry them till they become greenish. So one interesting fact I was reading that McDonald's, when they came to India, they did they invested into cold storage. So their food is more oriented towards storage, whereas Indian, a lot of Indian fast food chains have come up. They are making puris, rajma rice, dal, sweets, which may require some kind of storage, cold storage. So okay, next I added capsicum. I'm gonna make sure that capsicum is cooked. Then added the tomatoes and throw the salt, masalas. I added garam masala, lal mirach, and salt for the taste. I turned on my exhaust fan. I'm stirring it so that it doesn't get stick with the pan. Okay, the time to add our paneer. I added some shredded cheese also, a little bit shredded cheese also and the paneer in the mix. Let them cook for a couple of minutes. Then I'm adding some paste. I put 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Okay, our paneer base is ready now. It's time for next step. Let's put our bun, heat them up. We'll fill them with our paneer paste. Okay. Now I'm going to grab some butter. I'm looking for some ketchups, more ketchups to put inside my burger. So here I have some Indian ketchups which I'm filling up. Okay, so it's time to put some butter on the tawa. Yeah, I added some salt, little bit of pudina, coriander, and then I'm putting my burgers, making sure both sides are covered with butter, heating them up. And flip them couple of times. And here my Indian roadside paneer burgers are ready. They were very yummy. They just melted in my when I put them inside my mouth. I really enjoyed. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you guys again.